H40 Extreme is a multi-purpose and structural, extra flexible and extra workable gel adhesive. Developed with advanced gel technology, made to bond tiles, natural stone and engineered stones of all types and formats, be it floors, walls, indoors or outdoors. Suitable for domestic, commercial and industrial spaces, H40 Extreme is used for outdoor applications, including terraces, balconies, facades, swimming pools, fountains and overlay installations, and indoor environments such as mezzanine floors, sauna, spa, and other high-demand interior areas. H40 Extreme has been classified under the industry's highest R2T and Type 5 TS2 standards. A high-strength polyurethane adhesive, H40 Extreme is made to withstand movement and stress on the toughest applications. Using the right tools, ensure the surface is clean, dry, and even. In the H40 Extreme bucket, you will find Part A and Part B. Add Part A and Part B in the recommended ratio of 3.2:0.8. Mix from the bottom upwards using a low-speed helicoidal mixer until you get a smooth, even-colored paste. To apply H40 Extreme, use a suitable toothed trowel depending on tile type and format. Apply a thin layer on the back of the tile to ensure maximum adhesion. Place the tile, adjust it, and press it into the mixture for full coverage. H40 Extreme is higher on strength and extra flexible, giving both reliable adhesion and performance in all demanding situations. H40 Extreme is extra workable, which means tiles can be easily moved and adjusted for an even finish. This is real adhesion. Clean excess material from tools and tile surfaces using water and alcohol. Unlike regular adhesives, with gel technology, H40 Extreme delivers extreme adhesion, extreme flexibility, and extreme workability. This makes every site exceptional and memorable because this is H40 Extreme. Saalon से परफॉर्मेंस का एक नाम।